Let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's get started. Do you use internet very much?
Yes, I use internet a lot, especially for research of my studies, and I also use it for chatting with my friends, playing games, and watching movies, and for other purposes like online shopping, banking, and etc.
Good. So at the end you can say, to answer your question, I'm a regular user of the internet. Good. Let's go on. When was the first time you used the internet?
The first time I used the internet was when I was in school. My father bought a computer and an internet connection, so at our home. So I use it quite few times from now and here.
Okay. Is the internet very important to you?
Yes, internet is very useful for us, and especially for me because I do it for my studies, for research of my project, and I feel it is very useful to feel connected with my friends and many other online.
Do you think you can live without the internet?
No, I think that it is very hard to live a life without internet nowadays because it helps a lot. And especially during COVID, it helps us a lot to pursue our work, like online meetings, and for school, which are we are not going. So yeah, it helps us for our studies, and yeah, I think that is very important.
All right. Overall, good. Some answers are short. So if examiner says why not, you can elaborate further. All right, let's get started. Do you keep plants at home?
Yes, I have many plants, and I like to grow a variety of the plants at my home, like leaves, grass leaves, rose plants, and basil leaves, and aloe vera, and snake plants, and my favorite money plant. And I think plants are something I keep at my home because it's added color and life to your house, and also its main purpose.
All right. What plants did you grow when you were a child?
No, because I didn't grow any plants when I was young, because I was busy in my study, so I have no time. But whenever I get a time, I used to stay with my mother, and she loves to grow plants, and she has grown many herbs in her kitchen, like basil leaves, corianders, and lemongrass, and red chilies, green chilies, etc. And
all right. Okay. Now this question was in the past tense, so you could answer in the past, right? Do you know anything about growing plants now?
No, not. I'm not much expert, but I know some basic things to need to grow plants, like temperature, proper temperature, air, and moisture, and like sunlight, and and some basic things like if you want to grow, some plants are grown with seeds, and some like sapling, and other ones some are grown alone.
Okay. Do people in your country give plants as a gift?
Yes, nowadays in many formal occasions, people love to give.
People love to
give plants as a gift, especially red roses on marriages, birthdays, and other formal ceremonies. And if I get a chance to give somebody give up a plant as a gift, I would like to give her money plant, because some people believe that it will increase your money if this plant.
All right. Overall good. Some of your answers are long, so you need to summarize your ideas, the first thing. Second, stick to the main topic. I mean, if the topic is, do people give plants as gifts? Talk about people, not you. I mean, don't say I would give her this plant. Say people usually give rose plants or anything like that. Otherwise, it's good. Your language is good. Make yourself familiar with these topics. Summarize your ideas. And in part 1, your answer should contain 5 to 6 sentences. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.